Welcome to our YouTube channel, where we embark on a captivating journey of cultural healing traditions, exploring diverse health practices worldwide. Across continents, cultures have developed unique approaches to healing, deeply rooted in ancient traditions and wisdom. Join us as we immerse ourselves in the fascinating world of cultural healing practices, where ancient remedies and rituals promote holistic well-being. We have the honor of speaking with esteemed practitioners who generously share their knowledge and experiences of these time-honored traditions. Our cultural healing traditions are based on the belief that health is a harmonious balance between the body, mind, and spirit. Through natural remedies, energy work, and rituals, we tap into the interconnectedness of all things, restoring harmony and promoting wellness. Witness the power of healing ceremonies and rituals that are deeply woven into the fabric of different cultures, offering profound healing and transformation. Hear personal stories of individuals who have found solace, restoration, and renewed vitality through these profound cultural healing practices. We highlight the efforts of organizations dedicated to preserving and reviving these precious cultural healing traditions, ensuring their preservation for future generations. Join us on this enlightening journey as we celebrate the richness of cultural healing traditions, exploring diverse health practices worldwide. Subscribe now to discover the transformative power of cultural healing traditions.